Amazon has a 2-star liquidity, according to Tastyworks, and a moderate positive correlation to the SPY. It owes us $600 and then some, and we're looking to earn some of that back today. Picking a direction. Since it's burned us to the upside, let's hope it doesn't burn us to the downside in today's cherry bomb trade. So, we are going to be doing a short put vertical today with a probability of profit that's in the 60% and the P50 that's in the 70%. So, hi everybody, welcome back to Option Theory. This is Neil. It is July 15th, 2020, and it is time for our cherry bomb trade today. So cherry bomb trades, in case you're new here, it's the first time you've ever discovered this channel. We put on cherry bomb trades. We get them from Tasty Trade. The link is in the description down below, so you can sign up for Tasty Trade, not mine's email blast that comes in 5 days a week. 4 of those days are trades. So we invite you to join us and get trading in simulated trading in ThinkOrSwim, so you can practice and learn how to do that along with us. All right, so we're going to head on over to this next phase of these videos where we build our trade. So over here in of course, in ThinkOrSwim, or in our simulated trading account, head on over to the Analyze tab, click on Add Simulated Trade. You're going to want to open up where it says Options Chain, the 21st of August, the monthly for August, 37 days to expiration as of today. We're going to open up these chains. I have my expirations set to all, and you're going to have to scroll quite a bit. So we're looking here at the 2820. You can right click anywhere on the bid or ask in the 2820 on the puts. You're going to choose Analyze Sell Trade and choose Vertical. It'll build the exact spread that you want here. We're $5 wide in our strike in this high price underlying here. So here you're able to trade in something, of course, that is very high price stock, right? But you're able to define your risk. We'll, of course, always go into trade knowing our max profit and our max risk. Of course, here is the credit that we receive for this. To get paid this amount, we have to take on a risk, right? We could lose more than we could make, but that gives us better probabilities. So what are those probabilities? Let's head over to this risk profile here. We're going to analyze and hit the risk profile here. Make sure that this date here is set to the expiration, which is August 22nd. I choose the Friday. It's not going to change that much. So if I do that, you can see it really doesn't change much. I don't even know if that's going to come through, but there it is. So say hi to my dog. He doesn't like this trade, I guess. So, all right, everybody, we're then going to head over to this button here, set slices to break even at expiration, which I've already done here. And we can see that that gives us a 62% probability of profit. And then we've got a 37% chance that this is going to end up on past our break even, which we don't want. But I also want to point out this little thing here. You can always head over back to this Add Simulated Trade. See, we're looking at a short strike here that has a 29 delta. That means we can also use that as a proxy for probability. And so if you double that, right, I think we're looking at the probability of it testing or touching that. So a 60% probability that Amazon's going to give us a little bit of a heart attack and come closer to this, somewhere in that time frame, right? But if you want the P50, you got to get those emails from Tasty Trade. They give you that statistic. It'll show you that I believe it's in the 70s. It's in that email, that percent chance that we would collect half of this credit, right? Now, many of you might want that full credit, but that's not the Tasty Trade approach on the mechanics. If you get to 50% of that credit, you take it and you run. And if you get, 25, 30% or more in a short amount of time, there's no shame in taking profits. There's no problem with taking profits. Okay, so with that said, I don't have any alternatives for this, really. I mean, if you feel like it's worth it, you could widen out. Instead of doing a $5 wide, you could do a $10 wide. See here, just looking at the open interest, that might be something, since these two have more open interest, that might be something that's happening. But that is the only alternative I think I would consider. And based on, I've head on over to my monitor tab, account statement tab, you can see, like I said in the intro here, that Amazon owes me a little bit. I donated to the Amazon fund. All right, so Thank you so much for tuning in here. And if you're new here, would you mind hitting that subscribe button and hit that bell? If you want, of course, if you want to do this with us, that's how you'd get notified that our videos are here. I hope I've earned your like today. If so, would you hit that thumbs up for me? All right, everybody. Normally I press that little button on my keyboard and it makes that pop up. In case you don't know what it looks like by now. All right, everybody. I look forward to seeing you into tomorrow's Cherry Bomb trade. Take care. Happy trading.